WKZY 97.7, STARLITE RADIO ONE. Monday midnight round of view. Crumbs on the tables of crooked politicians, or filet mignon on our own plates, on our own tables. Crumbs from the tables of crooked African politicians, or filet mignon on our own plates, on our own tables. You see, a whole lot of atrocities have been going on, and a whole lot of iniquities have been perpetrated by a whole lot of depraved and reprehensible politicians and so-called leaders across Africa. And rightfully so, much noise have been made about the said abominable ways of most African leaders and politicians. And that's all good. That's all really good. Because it is absolutely imperative that we continue to call them out on their irresponsibility, on their dereliction of duty, on their gross incompetence, outright negligence, and sometimes downright evil-mindedness. But while we're at it, we must never lose sight of the undeniable fact that we, the people, are also complicit in the mind-boggling, atrocious depravity of most African leaders and politicians. And it is this mindless and shameless complicity of we, the people, that propels their lack of moral compass and lights the fuse of their egomaniacal and narcissistic demeanor, which has in turn relegated hundreds and hundreds of millions of African men, women, and children to a state of inhumane, abject poverty in what is by far the richest and most blessed continent on the face of the earth. It is indeed deflating and heartbreaking that most of we, the people, are simply contented to eating the crumbs from the tables of crooked politicians when we know, when we know that we can have our own filet mignon on our own plates and on our own tables, if we can simply muster the needed courage to flip the switch and come to the realization that the real power belongs to the people. Yep, the real power belongs to the people. The real power belongs to us. And not this bunch of rotten, heartless, reckless, ruthless, and ruthless criminals parading as African leaders.